Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Barbie Fashion Designer Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for young aspiring designers to step into the world of fashion, allowing them to bring their wildest sartorial dreams to life with a variety of tools and accessories that encourage imaginative play and skill development. Number 5. Terra Toys Barbie Be a Real Fashion Designer Kit. Ever dreamed of designing for Barbie? Now you can bring your unique fashion vision to life with this amazing kit. This kit provides everything you need to create stunning outfits. It's time to let your creativity shine and dress up your favorite doll. Add ribbons, bows, glitter, and a variety of other fun accessories. The possibilities for unique designs are truly endless. Applying these embellishments is simple and enjoyable for everyone. Watch as your designs transform before your eyes. Crafted with care in the United States, this kit ensures quality and inspires hours of imaginative play. Create a dazzling wardrobe that reflects your personal style. Your Barbie will be the most fashionable doll around. What we like. If you love adding sparkle and flair to your creations, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for younger designers who enjoy hands-on decorating with ribbons, bows, and glitter. Choose this if you want a simple, fun way to embellish pre-made doll outfits. What people say. She loves being able to design her own fashions. Great variety of outfits to decorate. Very fun idea and inspiration for little designers. The dresses fit all the Barbie figures. Older dolls also, they are made slightly bigger, so they are a little loose on the newer dolls. Number 4. Creativity for Kids designed by You Fashion Studio. Unleash your inner fashionista and experiment with fabrics in this complete fashion designer kit. Create your dream dresses and accessories by sketching, designing, and bringing your outfits to life. This fashion designer kit lets you create and sew dresses, skirts, and accessories. With vibrant fabrics, ribbons, and trims, you'll have endless possibilities to express your passion for fashion. It includes everything you need to start designing, including a dress mannequin, sketchbook, fabric swatches, scissors, pins, and tape measure. Learn to sketch, plan, cut fabric, sew seams, and more with step-by-step instructions. Tap into your inner fashionista with this DIY fashion design kit. Whether designing solo or with friends, this kit encourages hands-on creativity. Sketch your designs, then sew them on the mannequin using the included tools. Looking for the perfect gift for young creators? This fashion designer kit is a fantastic gift that teaches sewing basics, design techniques, and how to plan a collection. It helps young designers develop skills while creating custom pieces. Learn essential skills like sketching, draping, and sewing, and bring your outfits to life. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive fashion design experience that includes sewing, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for aspiring designers aged 9 and up who want to learn the basics of sketching, cutting, and sewing. Pick this if you want to create complete, custom-made outfits from scratch. What people say. This kit is perfect for any girl that is interested in learning fashion design or sewing or has an interest in making their own Barbie clothes or just likes to be creative and artsy. As an added plus, I found it useful for homeschooling. Measuring, art, careers, textures, etc. The kit included fun fabrics for the kids to play with, a mannequin, a book to draw their designs in, and very nice instructions. This helps her see how different things affect the style, such as how the fabric type affects drape, how the notions work together, etc. The purpose of this kit is to teach you how to design. If you have a serious young child who really wants to know beginning steps learning fashion apparel designing, this is such a great product. It's a toy and a tool all in one. It was for a 6-year-old's birthday present. 3 of the 6-year-olds in our family have created such amazing things that I, as an artist myself, could never have imagined at that age. Number 3. Barbie Fashion Designer Doll and Studio Playset. Get ready to make a big fashion statement with this amazing fashion designer set. It includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Start by sketching your unique designs at the desk. Then, use the included accessories to cut patterns from the fabric swatches. It's time to sew your creations at the plug-and-play workstation. You can even make adjustments on the standing mannequin to perfect your look. This set comes with over 25 fun pieces, including outfits, shoes, accessories, and even a sewing machine and mannequin. The design storytelling possibilities are endless. Kids will love the creative fashion play and design storytelling possibilities. It makes a great toy for ages 3 and up, especially for those who love fashion and creativity. What we like. If you want a complete Barbie-themed fashion studio experience with a doll included, this set is fantastic. It's perfect for children who love imaginative play and want to mimic a real designer's workspace. Go for this if you enjoy role-playing and creating outfits with a variety of accessories and tools. What people say. The Barbie Fashion Designer doll with 25+ accessories is amazing. My child loves the sewing machine, mannequin, and all the fashion pieces. Hours of imaginative play. This is a really nice set. It has a lot of items included, and the box is a sturdy cardboard you could use for storage if you wished. The included dress and shirt are very nice, too. The purses are cute but nothing special. But the little play accessories are cute, like the wristy, scissors, and spools of thread. The included hangers are also great. I've never seen this design before and I wish Mattel would sell these in a pack BC. I would buy 100 of them. You can see in the photo how they have little arms to hold onto skirts or pants, and they don't take up as much space as other pant doll hangers. This doll is actually really nice and I may put her head on a made-to-move body. She even has earrings. Overall, I would recommend this set for a collector or for a kid who's interested in fashion sewing. Even if you don't care about the desk, the chair is versatile and the fashion items make it worth it alone. Imo. Great quality fashion doll, comes with lots of accessories. Definitely a toy that would bring hours of fun and imaginative play. The doll comes with extra outfits that can be mixed and matched to create different looks. Also, the sewing machine set is very cute and highly detailed. Number 2. Fashion Designer Kit for Girls. Discover the ultimate fashion design kit designed for creative girls. It's packed with everything you need to bring your style ideas to life. Showcase more of your amazing creations with 6 included mannequins. This set comes with detailed instructions and tutorial videos to guide you. With over 800 pieces, including fabric swatches, trims, ribbons, and embellishments, you can create more than 85 unique outfits. The possibilities for creativity are endless. Get creative without the hassle of sewing. Our specially designed mannequins allow you to create stunning outfits using easy tying, taping, and sticking methods. This kit is more than just fun. It helps develop fine motor skills, stimulates creativity and imagination, and builds self-confidence. Enjoy hours of imaginative play. Looking for a gift for a girl aged 8 to 12? This fashion craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, letting them express their unique talent. What we like. If you want to create a large number of diverse outfits and enjoy displaying them, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for kids who love variety and want a no-sew option for quick, creative fun. Choose this if you're looking for a kit with maximum materials and display options for endless design possibilities. What people say. Cute designs and fabrics. Cheetah prints, fairy styles, metallic colors, laces. It came with jewels, bows, sticky tape, sewing kit, etc. The kit features a fantastic assortment of high-quality fabrics and accessories. It's a fantastic way to enhance your sewing skills and learn new techniques. Number 1. Barbie Fashion Plates All-in-One Studio. Discover the ultimate fashion design experience with this all-in-one studio. It's perfect for aspiring designers of all ages. With 15 mix and match fashion plates, you can create over 100 unique looks. Let your imagination run wild and design custom outfits for Barbie. 8 vibrant designer crayons are included to bring your creations to life. Color in your dazzling designs and make each outfit truly shine. This set comes with a convenient storage container, making it perfect for travel. Take your fashion design adventures anywhere you go. Gather your friends for a fashionable sleepover or party. This activity is sure to be a hit, sparking creativity and fun for everyone. The kit includes everything you need to get started: fashion plates, a drawing tablet, crayons, and easy-to-follow instructions. Let the designing begin. What we like. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and portable way to design Barbie outfits, this is a great option. It's perfect for travel or a fun party activity, allowing for hundreds of combinations without any sewing. Select this if you love creating many different looks with a simple rub and color technique. What people say. It's a great gift for girls who likes to create. She is really enjoying it and has made many outfit creations. My daughter absolutely loves this toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.